Got it here, a vintage one, but a gym. Boker Griploc. Check this out. This collaboration with the JJ Huck or J&J Huck. You see, that's a very popular knife maker and designer. So first of all, you have it here like a top lock, but do you see what happens? And you can push it, close it, and open it. So this is very fidgety. And you see what happens right here? It comes forward. I actually showed you a long time ago one that is see-through. That one is expensive, hard to find. This one's also vintage and kind of sold out, hard to find, discontinued. But you see, there is two springs that run from this end to the other end. You kind of could see them almost. And that's what pulls everything together up and down. Also, you can kind of use this motion and open it and close it. It's kind of in your wrist. You have to hold it pretty tight and flick it. But I kind of prefer a little bit of a flicker motion. Also, I'm trying to keep it in a video. It's a lot easier whenever you're naturally hand down. And you kind of use the inertia and the gravity. You see how the whole front all hides away and then comes up. For safety it comes up so that way you don't cut yourself. You see it? Beautiful. And whenever you open it, it hides away for better grip. That one is really fun and hard to find. I really love that. Good luck.